Today, we'll go over installing natural woven shades from start to finish. Before you begin, check your box to ensure your window treatment is as ordered and your install guide and hardware is included. Also, confirm your shades fit properly by holding them up to the window frame and checking measurement accuracy. For install, you will need a tape measure, screwdriver, power drill with drill bits, and a pencil. You may also need a level, and for taller windows, a ladder. Consider drywall anchors if mounting directly into drywall without a stud. For natural woven shades, the bracket should align with the notches in the wood headrail. To install, use a tape measure to find the center point of each notch. Mark those measurements in the window frame for the bracket placements. Drill the marked points, and then screw in the brackets. For shades wider than 36 inches, we recommend a 2-person installation. Lift the shades into place, slide the bracket screws into the headrail, then secure each side by tightening the wing nuts. Finally, attach the clear handle to the bottom rail. Make sure to test your shades by raising and lowering slowly to ensure even movement. Check for proper tension by stopping at mid-window. If your shade has a top-down, bottom-up feature, test the top rail by lowering and raising to ensure proper function. From measuring to installing, we're here to help you every step of the way. Find us at blindsgalore.com.